Hey everybody, Henry Golis from Cloudian here. I wanted to take a few minutes and demo how to connect AWS Mountpoint to a Cloudian HyperStore bucket. So from a prerequisites perspective, we're simply making sure that the user we're using to mount the S3 bucket has the sufficient privileges to do so. So this typically means root or a member of sudo, as well as AWS CLI and Mountpoint RPMs are installed on the system. Now that we have the host prerequisites sorted out, I'm going to go on over to the Cloudian Management Console. We're going to go ahead and log in as a user. And then we are going to create a new bucket that is going to be the target for the Mountpoint. So in a real world scenario, we'd be connecting to a bucket that has already been pre-populated with data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm simply going to upload a couple of image files so we have something to work with when we connect to the bucket from our host. Now that we're back on the CLI, we're going to go ahead and issue that mount command. A couple things to note that from a credential set perspective, AWS Mountpoint uses the same credentials as AWS CLI, so please make sure those are configured correctly, as well as that target directory that you are mounting does need to exist on the file system. Going into the mounted AWS Mountpoint bucket directory, we can do a quick ls and we can see the images that we have uploaded previously. Then we can go ahead and copy over a file just to make sure bidirectional traffic is working. As a final check, we can go back to the Cloudian Management Console where we can see the file has been successfully uploaded into the bucket. So this concludes our AWS Mountpoint demo. For additional resources and guides, check out cloudian.com/resources.